Neighbourhood Training today. We're going to showcase you guys some beautiful wall and floor tiles. Really looking forward to showing you.
And I'm going to tell you about the design process. Now we're currently standing in the change room with 2 bathrooms behind me. I did select our tiles from Johnson Tiles, and here we have a 600 by 600 grit finish, grey colour in the peak range.
This 600 by 600 tile is absolutely perfect for an area like this. It's going to have a lot of foot traffic and possibly some wet gym feet. It's got an R11 P4 non-slip rating, which makes it fit for purpose for this area. I think the other thing as well, when you're selecting your tiles, it's very important to make sure that the safety component is met before you start selecting out a wonderful design tile like these ones here. This space is long and skinny, so the 600 by 600 tiles we've selected are perfect. Going to make this area feel much, much bigger.
Now Aaron spoke to you about safety. I'm going to chat to you about practicality and colour variance in these tiles. Now if you have a high foot traffic area, these tiles will be fluttering in your space and will cover up any mess. And on the opposite side, for a feature wall, I've gone with the Oyster Beige Kit Kat tile.
There's still a bit of work to be done here, so we're going to leave the boys to it.
Let's go grab a coffee and we will be back with the final reveal.